it's Keaton Weather here. Today I'm going to give you another update on Hurricane Marco and Tropical Storm Laura, as they are now getting very close to Louisiana coast. And Louisiana, new update, Louisiana is now the target mostly for both of them. Like I said, Laura might hit more of Texas. That is now updated. It might hit some of Texas. Now it's going to more get an update, and now it's going to probably hit Louisiana. So today I'm going to give you an update on Tropical Storm Marco and Tropical Storm Laura, as well as the live infrared satellite for both of them, the track for both of them, and the future models for both of them. So coming up in today's video, so stay tuned. But let's start off with the current information, then we'll get into the live infrared satellite. So this is the current information for Hurricane Marco. Maximum sustained winds was 65 knots or 75 miles per hour. Minimum central pressure was 991 millibars. You see the latitude, longitude numbers there, and movement was north-northwest at 11 knots, 13 miles per hour. And this is getting very close to Louisiana coast, and as well as the Mississippi coast too. So both of these could hit. So that's the current information. Before we get to the live infrared satellite, let's see the current watches and warnings issued. So as you can see, we're seeing hurricane warnings and tropical storm warnings issued for parts of Louisiana here and parts of Mississippi. So yeah, you're seeing all these tropical alerts, tropical storm warnings, hurricane warnings, storm surge warnings, all here for the coast of Louisiana. But that is the current alerts for them. Now let's get to the live infrared satellite on Hurricane Marco, and that's getting very close to Louisiana. If you can't see it, the Louisiana coast is right here, as you can see, and that's getting very close. And this is very strong. Look at that. It's not even, I don't even see an eye here, but I see a very strong center there. That's the center of the storm right there. So yes, that is bringing lots of heavy rainfall there. I see lots of heavy rainfall there in center. Oh, I notice it is a little bit unorganized, but definitely more organized than what we saw earlier uh, as a tropical storm. But yes, that is a live infrared satellite on Marco. Now let's see Tropical Storm Laura. This is way further off into the coast and bringing heavy rainfall to these islands here. So let's go ahead and pause this about right here. So as you can see, some islands here bring lots of heavy rainfall. There's the center here, definitely way more unorganized than Marco, but definitely bring lots of heavy rainfall. And again, still could be a rare phenomenon. A little bit off in the timing, I think. Maybe not the exact same time, but it's crazy. I think they're gonna hit the exact same spots on both of these storms as they get close to the coast. So let's see the track on how this will plan out. So this is the track on both of them. I'm showing you two of them in the same picture. So as you can see, almost the exact same spots, just kind of going in a different direction planned, but hitting Louisiana, definitely. So central Louisiana, including Baton Rouge, could get hit both times by this. So let's start off with Marco. So Marco is expected to be a hurricane for not too much longer until 7 a.m. Monday. Then that morning, it's expected to weaken to a tropical storm. But not only is it going to weaken, but it's going to hit Louisiana, which is a big thing. And so it's going to be a tropical storm as it hits Louisiana from about 7 p.m. Monday to 7 a.m. Tuesday. So then it weakens to a tropical depression, so it's very weak at this point and going into Texas from 7 p.m. Tuesday to 7 a.m. Wednesday. Now let's switch over to Laura. As you can see, this is going to hit the United States a little bit further in time. So definitely, but it's the same spot. Is crazy. Same spot is going to hit, except once it hits the same spot in Louisiana, central Louisiana, it's going to go more north than Marco. But as you can see, it's going to be a hurricane for quite a while, and the thing is, this could hit the United States with a hurricane. So it'll be a hurricane from about 8 p.m. Tuesday to about 8 a.m. Thursday. And then it will weaken to a tropical depression. So it weakens majorly. Doesn't even show a tropical storm, just goes downhill very fast to a tropical depression. But that is the track for that. So now we see the track. Now let's get to the future models to end off today's video. So as you can see, Marco is getting very close to Louisiana. And every time to tell a little bit further, it makes landfall. Well, this is just one model. Keep that in mind. So this may not be the most accurate. But as you can see, it's getting very close. And then it hits the coast with lots of heavy rainfall here. Definitely bringing lots of heavy rainfall to Louisiana. That's a lot of rainfall. So it could be big flooding, just like Barry was. So this could be pretty similar to Barry, except Barry I don't think was ever. Yeah, maybe Barry was a hurricane. I don't really remember, but that's the only time it's out. See, it's in central Louisiana, then goes up into Arkansas, and then moves up into Missouri, but then that really dissipates when it gets to Missouri. And this shows it making landfall at about Thursday, which yes, definitely it could make landfall on Thursday. In the GFS model, you can't even see Laura, so yes, this is not the most accurate model, but you definitely saw Marco there. That's going to wrap it up for today's video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. If you like weather-related videos, if you have any weather questions, don't forget to comment that down below and I should be able to answer them. But stay safe, stay weather aware, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!